Nice.
Oh.
Yes. Add that to the crack compilation. Go ahead and uncross the legs for me.
Oh.
Let that relax. So if anyone ever crosses their arms, that means they don't want to listen to you anymore. And in sales, if someone crosses their arms, they'll give you like a pen or a bottle of water so that your arms are not crossed. Because if your arms are crossed, you're not receptive to the message. If you're really uncomfortable with somebody, you're going to cross your legs and your arms. So that means you're not open for the adjustment. My goodness. C6, C7 there, and then right there. So going to bring that there, let it relax. Oh my goodness. Whoa! Then go face down for me, please. Awesome. Girl! Posture, posture, posture. Okay, go big, big, deep breath in. All the way out. Wow. My goodness. You just got a lot of tension over here, so you do want to have this side up facing me. You do want to be mindful of your posture, and that, anytime, like when you're dealing, it's typically like that, right? And I know that's a challenging position to be in. Let's go hands are right here. Go ahead and breathe that out for me. Nice.
Oh.
Yes. Add that to the crack compilation. So the side facing me, please. Awesome. Bend that right there. I'm going to breathe it out. Wow. And then go face up and make you a little bit taller here, okay? All the way relax. Nice. Let that relax. Perfect. And just like that. Come on up. Smile for the camera. Perfect.